Welcome guys. So this equation is way easier than it looks. First of all, let us take the square root of both sides. So here we're going to have square root of x to the power of square root of x to the power of square root of x, and that equals 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by x squared over 3. Now let's write the root as times 1 over 2, and here 2 cancels out 2. Therefore, we'll be left with root x to the power of root x to the power of root x, and that will equals 3 to the power of x squared over 3. So here we can make use of a brilliant substitution. We can just say let root x equals y, and then when we look at this equation we have derived, when we raise the power of both sides by 4, we're going to have x squared to be equals y to the power of 4. Then we'll have y to the power of y to the power of y, and it's going to equal 3 to the power of y to the power of 4 all over 3. So moving further, we're going to multiply the power of both sides by 1 over y to the power of 4, and this also will give us 3 to the power of y over 4 over 3, then times 1 over y to the power of 4. Then here we know y to the power of 4 cancels y to the power of 4, and then we can rewrite the equation as y to the power of y to the power of y times y to the power of minus 4, 3 to the power of 1 over 3. And then when we combine this using the law of indices, we're going to have y to the power of y, then this will give us y minus 4, and that will be equals 3 to the power of, we can also rewrite this power here as 3 to the power of minus 1. Now I'm going to do something very brilliant here. Please watch closely. So then we'll say y to the power of y to the power of y minus 4 equals 3 to the power of 3, and then we can rewrite minus 1 as 3 minus 4. And then when we study the equation closely, we'll discover that y equals 3. And then going back to our substitution, we know that y equals square root of x, then therefore square root of x equals 3, and our final answer, x equals 9. Correct.